you will confirm na ikaw, ang Chief of Staff, at ang Vice President, ang 3 top officers ng OVP. Tama ba?
As Assistant Chief of Staff, ma'am. Yes.
So, kaya kayong tatlo, kayo yung top 3 officers ng OVP. Assistant Chief of Staff, and the Vice President herself. Tama ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sinabi mo na wala kang alam tungkol dun sa mga bagay na yon. At sinasabi rin ng Chief of Staff na wala rin siyang alam tungkol sa mga bagay na ito. So, tama bang sabihin na among
Your
the
Honor,
3 of
please.
you, si Vice President lang ang nakakaalam?
Let her finish the question. Witness will not answer the question until the objection is ruled upon by the chair. Finish your question, Attorney May.
Done, Your Honor.
Attorney Christine, what's your objection?
Misleading, Your Honor, and vague. First of all, the Chief of Staff has not yet testified with regard to the confidential funds.
Well, Attorney Christine, the court took judicial notice of the proceedings in the House of Representatives where the Chief of Staff, Attorney Lopez, testified, and I went through the TSN, and such statements were made along those lines by the Chief of Staff of the Vice President. Witness may answer.
Ma'am, can I be clarified with the question? Can you repeat the question, please?
Okay. Kanina, sinabi mo na ang top 3 officers ng OVP ay ikaw, as Assistant Chief of Staff, Chief of Staff, at ang Vice President herself. Tama ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Ngayon, sinabi mo na wala kang alam tungkol sa drafting ng liquidation reports. Tama ba? Wala ka ring alam sa disbursement ng confidential funds. Wala ka ring alam tungkol sa recording relative to the confidential funds. Tama ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Ito rin yung naging posisyon ng Chief of Staff. Wala rin siyang alam tungkol sa mga bagay na to. Ngayon, tama bang sabihin na dahil kayong tatlo, ang top 3 na officers or officials ng Office of the Vice President, si Vice President lamang ang may alam tungkol dito sa mga bagay na to?
Objection.
What's the ground, Christine?
Speculative, Your Honor.
If you know, Your Honor, again, Your Honor, we don't want to belabor this point, Your Honor, but Defense Counsel keeps bringing us back to this point, Your Honor. The question does not become speculative simply because it's couched in a what-if question, Your Honor. And besides, Your Honor, this honorable court has already ruled and has already directed the witness to
Your Honor,
answer, Your Honor.
The counsel would want the witness to speculate on the state of mind of the Vice President.
No, Your Honor. Let me answer it in 2 points, Your Honor.
Please, counsel, briefly.
Yes. It's not speculative, Your Honor, because there was already an admission that they are the top 3 officials of the OVP. Now, the answer would be based on that admission, so it's not speculative. The question would only be speculative. It's completely conjectural, Your Honor. And second, Your Honor, the only reason I repeated the answer because the witness himself requested me to repeat, but prior to me repeating the question, the Honorable Presiding Officer has already made a ruling. Your Honor, we will be squandering away time if every time I would repeat a question, the Defense Counsel would all of a sudden invoke another ground for objection.
We're about to break for lunch, so let's end it on a good note.
Yes, but
finally, Attorney Christine.
I will revise my objection, Your Honor. Incompetent.
Allow me, counsels. Base sa testimonya mo, Ginoong Tonyo, wala kang alam sa paggastos, pag-liquidate, pag-disburse ng confidential fund. Tama?
Yes, that's correct, Your Honor.
Sabi ni Gina Acosta, wala rin siyang alam. Tama? Alam mo ba yan? Na wala rin siyang alam sa paggastos ng confidential fund at kung paano ito na-liquidate. Would you know that?
Based on what I have read
Na testimonya niya?
Yes, sir.
Base sa pagkakaalam mo, alam ba ng Vice President kung paano ito ginastos?
The way I understand it, sir, as the head of agency, I would understand that she knows the implementation, sir.
Yes. So si Colonel Lachica, alam din siyempre.
Yes, sir. as the security officer. I would
So,
assume.
sa loob ng opisina ng OVP, si VP Sara, as head of agency, lang ang nakakaalam. Ikaw bilang assistant chief of staff, yung chief of staff mismo, walang alam. At si Colonel Lachica, na ayon sa katanungan ni Senator Judge Soto kanina lang, na hindi naman bahagi ng opisina ng OVP.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
That would be all for redirect, Your Honor.
Do you have a short recross, Attorney Christine, or a long one? Do we pause for lunch, or do you want to finish your cross before lunch? We don't have to call lunch at 12 o'clock. We can do it at 12 past 12.
After lunch, Your Honor.
You prefer after lunch?
Thank you. Yes, Your Honor.